Today, you guys, I'm going to show you how to smoke salmon on a Pit Boss Laredo 1000. It's my first time cooking salmon on it. We're going to go out here and fire up this grill and come back in and season it up. So here y'all guys, we're out here with the Pit Boss Laredo 1000. So I'm going to show you turn it on. Then we're going to set the temperature to 225. That's in smoke mode. Once we get it up to temperature at 225 and get some good smoke flowing in there, then I'm going to come back out here and put it at 350 degrees. Then I'm going to go inside and season up the fish. There you guys, we're inside. See, we got the salmon unpackaged. I'm going to dry off the excess water here off the salmon. Pat them dry real good. And got a little bit of spritz here of olive oil. Rub that in real good. Use it as a binder to put the seasoning on it. Right here we got some Cajun seasoning. Put a little bit of Cajun seasoning on there. Not too heavy, not too light. Pat it in there a little bit. Just a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of sea salt. And my favorite, some Old Bay. Now we're going to sit here and wrap it up. Let it here sit here and let them seasonings marinate in there, soaking that meat real good. While we're still waiting on the grill to come up to temp to that 225. And then we get it up to the 350. And then we stick the salmon on there. Here at the smoker is up to 350. And ready to put this on. Got the salmon. I like to put my skin downside. Come on, get that nice crispy skin. Go here and hear that thing sizzle. But we're gonna cook this exactly 13 minutes. It don't take long at 350 degrees. So we're gonna get this closed. Let it get back up to temp and let it cook. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we're back out here. Smoker, check the temp. I'm looking at 130 to 145 degrees. Yeah, that one looks good. That one looks good. I think we're ready to take this thing off. Yeah, guys, back in here off the grill. Let me dig in and see how it tastes. Yeah, look at there. So it came out pretty good. Got that smoke flavor, good and moist, nice and seasoned. I think we did okay on this one.